On November 3, 2025, Spain carried out its first real-world air policing activation, pairing a national tanker with Spanish fighters under Operation Eastern Sentry. An A400M tanker from Wing 31 supported two Eurofighter Typhoons from Wing 11, marking the first A-scramble in this deployment in which a Spanish tanker and Spanish fighters launched together to protect NATO airspace on the alliance's eastern flank. Over a 5-hour sortie, the A400M delivered on-station refueling that extended the fighter's time aloft and preserved continuous coverage over the assigned area. Maintenance and ground crews enabled rapid generation and recovery of the tanker under high operational demand, demonstrating the value of organic air-to-air refueling to sustain quick reaction alert tasking without breaking the combat air patrol cycle.